Good day everybody. Today we look at cable ties with a plastic latch with keep black ones and neutral or white ones. They're all made of dolomite. It's a kind of nylon and they are silicone-free and halogen-free. They come in various sizes, from the small ones, that's a 2.5 millimeter, up to the bigger ones, that's a 4.8 millimeter, and different lengths. Now, the two colors is there for a reason. The white one is mostly used indoors, and the black one is mainly used outdoors because there's a UV stabilizer in the form of carbon that was added to this to give it much more UV stability. The temperature range is from minus 40 degrees to 85 degrees. So please take caution if you utilize this in an area where there's high heat. Also, they are sensitive for acids, so when you utilize it in the acid industry, please take care. Mild acids, but as soon as you go to the more serious acids, it will dissolve the product. And as you can see, I'm utilizing the electrical scissors for this.